What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Midwest Test Fishing. Today we are going over how to unhook fish. Now, unhooking fish is one of the most challenging and intimidating parts of fishing, but by the end of this video, you're gonna be a pro at it. So the first step is gonna wet your hand, and when you have a fish, like a largemouth or smallmouth bass, you can just lip them. And that's putting your index finger under the lip and your thumb inside the mouth. And you can hold that and just simply pop out the hook. Alright guys, we have got a big bluegill here, and I'm going to show you guys the easiest way to unhook him. So you're going to wet your hand, place your hand, and then fold those fins down, because otherwise those fins are going to poke you. So by putting it towards the top of the fish and then pressing down, you're safe from those sharp fins, and then you can just let them go. To let your fish go, you get your pliers, and this way you don't have to touch the fish at all. Kind of grab the lure with your pliers and you just kind of shake it a little till the fish falls off. If you don't want to touch the fish, this way works as well. Just like that, sometimes they let themselves go.